Welcome to Channeling to Learn. Today's topic, comparing rock formation. The rock cycle, heat, pressure and texture.
Welcome back. You already know the three rock types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And for those catching up, remember, igneous is born from fire, sedimentary is formed by layering, and metamorphic is the result of extreme pressure and heat. But today, we'll become rock detectives to understand why they look so different. It all comes down to heat and pressure. Igneous. These are born from fire, magma or lava cooling. The key is the cooling rate. Granite, large crystals, versus basalt, fine crystals. Granite, intrusive. Cools slowly deep underground. The slow rate gives atoms time to move and bond, forming large, visible crystals. Basalt, extrusive. Cools fast on the Earth's surface. The fast rate traps atoms, resulting in tiny, fine-grained or even glassy texture.
Sedimentary rocks, layers of sand and mud compacting.
Sedimentary. These are the history books of the Earth. They form from sediments like sand or mud that get squashed and glued together. Compaction and cementation. The key texture is layering, or bedding. They usually have a soft texture and clearly show the grains that were cemented together. Metamorphic rocks. Rock being squashed by tectonic plates. Metamorphic. These are changed rocks. They're like existing rocks put through a geological washing machine of intense heat and pressure. Marble, no bands, versus gneiss, clear bands, foliation. Heat-dominated, marble limestone changes to marble mainly through heat. The original crystals just get recrystallized into a denser, interlocking structure, but there are no bands. Pressure-dominated, gneiss. Granite changes to gneiss under high directional pressure. This forces the minerals to flatten and align into wavy stripes or foliations that bands all layers. Conclusion? Quick recap of the three types and their controlling factor. Cooling rate, layering, pressure, effoliation. Challenge question. Basalt and gneiss can look dark. How can you tell them apart just by their texture? Answer. Basalt is uniform, fine, gneiss is banded, foliated. Don't forget to practice the rock texture activity. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.